Hey everyone, my name is Mars, like the planet, and this is Housewarmin. Today I am finally retwisting my hair after 1 month. I installed these locks on myself on September 1st of 2023, and I used finger coils, and I have type 3 hair. So it has been exactly 1 month since I installed these starter locks on myself, so I'm really excited to finally do my first retwist. So like I said, this is my first retwist, so I am not really that knowledgeable on a lot of products or what I should be doing or my technique. I am really just trying, and once again, this is my hair, so if I mess it up or anything like that, it's my hair. I can blame myself. But if you are watching this and you are just feeling like this is something I can't do, I'm just overwhelmed, I just don't know, I am always going to advise people to talk to their loctician or talk to a hairstylist. So I have already washed my hair. My hair is completely clean. If you are interested in seeing my wash day routine, I already have a video up on the channel that I will link down below. But I am just going to go through and section out my hair starting at the back. I am putting a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. I do not have a bottle with an applicator nozzle to squeeze the oil onto my hair, so I just have a little tiny bowl of olive oil that I'm just dipping my fingers in and then patting that along my hair. It's just a little hard to see. I'm using the Murray's Lock Gel to do my hair today. I just had this laying around, so that's what I'm using, and I actually really like the product. I think it can be found at most drugstores. I found this at Walmart, but there's always going to be a better product that might work for you. So yeah, that's what I'm using today. So I'm just sectioning out my hair, and I was a teensy bit worried that when I washed my hair, maybe my parts would be ruined or I wouldn't be able to section things out properly. But I'm here to say that all of my parts stayed intact, even after oh, that's really hard to say. Even after washing my hair, just really vigorously, I cannot say that word, vigorously, after washing my hair, really thoroughly, let's go with that, really thoroughly, I finally realized that my parts were not ruined and everything was intact. So I am happy to say that after 1 month, almost all of my locks have started the budding phase, or where I can see that a little bit of a lock is forming at the end of my hair. So I am just going through and sectioning everything out. This is where you can decide if you want to use a rat tail comb or a comb to section out and clean up your parts, but you can really see how sometimes the hair does not want to go where it wants to go. Sometimes you want a really clean part, but your hair is already incorporated into another lock. And for me, it's just not worth it to break my hair just to make sure that my parts are clean. They're clean enough, and I want to make sure that the ones in the back, the parts in the back really don't matter. So I am just going to take a little bit of oil and apply that along the part. And then I'm going to take a little tiny bit of lock gel. You really don't want to put a ton of product in your hair. And I'm going to start retwisting. So the method that I'm using is palm rolling. I know there are a ton of different methods out there, but this is what's easiest for me to do on my head. So I am just palm rolling, which essentially means that I'm taking the lock or the strand of hair in my hands, and I'm just rolling my hands together. And you can kind of see the hair is twisting along and coiling back up. After I have palm rolled, I am then going to take a clip. I think I got these from Sally Beauty, but you can find them everywhere. I think they're called just like alligator clips. Some are called claw clips. Some are just called clips for locks. I've seen them also labeled as pin curl clips. They're used for a bunch of different application. So if you just type in on Google or search like pins or clips for locks, you can normally find these. But yeah, I found these at Sally Beauty, and I'm just going to go ahead and clip it. When I first did my set of locks, when I first installed them, I had a really big trouble trying to put the clips in and make sure they stayed. And this was a little bit easier my second time around. I kind of just angle it at a 45-degree angle and then kind of slide it in underneath the lock. But it's kind of hard to explain. Once you get your hands in your head and once you start to fiddle around with it, you can kind of tell what's going to stay and what isn't, what's going to stay clipped and what isn't. So it just takes a little bit of a learning curve, but after a while, you're going to get the hang of it. So like I said, I'm just going to keep repeating that technique. I'm going to section off my hair. I'm going to add oil, and then I'm going to take a little bit of product and I'm going to start twisting my hair or retwisting my hair. I want to make sure that I am coiling or twisting my hair the exact same way that I put them in. So most of my locks are going clockwise, but there are the locks in the front of my head that I tend to roll away from my face, if that makes sense. Like I twist them away from my face. So they are sometimes going in the opposite direction. So 3/4 of my head is going one way and one section of my head is going the opposite way. I know it's kind of hard to explain, but I like the way that my hair looks that way. Anyways, so yeah, I'm just going to go ahead on and repeat that. So if you're wondering how long this process took me, it took me about an hour and 20 minutes along with filming and everything like that. It took me about an hour and 20 minutes, maybe an hour and 30 minutes to retwist my entire head. So looking at my locks, I'm just so excited to be on this journey. Like I said, it's only been a month, but I'm just really excited to be on this journey of having locks. This is something I have looked forward to for so long, and I'm just so excited that I've made it the first month. So I'm excited to see what my progress is going to be in the next month. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead on and continue retwisting, and I will check back in with you at the end of the video. So now that I am completely done retwisting my locks, I'm really happy with the way that it turned out, and I did like this product, the Murray's Lock Gel. I really did like it. But yeah, this is my 1 month update. So yeah, I have some texture shots for you. I have some update shots for you. I know everybody loves looking at people's locks and seeing the update. So that does it for today's video. I will definitely be posting more about my locks in the next coming months. And I will definitely keep you guys updated. So make sure you subscribe so you do not miss out on any of those videos. I post new videos every single Wednesday. So I will see you guys next week. Bye.